Hello, my name is Logan Mathews. I'm a full stack web developer, just finishing up the course here at Centriq. A little bit about me and my background. Previously, I worked in doggy daycare, grocery, as well as independent contracting, which helped build my teamwork, leadership, customer service, as well as my critical thinking abilities. I've always been interested in IT and technology from a very young age. I'm the type of person that likes to know how things tick, which kind of what led me down the course running into Centriq. I kind of did it as a hobby, and I'd love to do it as a career. For my final project, I chose the Reservation System. A little bit about the Reservation System and its requirements is that we had to create a mock-up company with the capability to create reservations, or kind of like a booking system, with 3 different roles, and each one of those roles has limited functionality. Within that, there is an admin, which pretty much can do anything on the website, an employee, which has similar functionality to the admin, but they can only edit notes of users and their assets, and then as well as the customer/owner, who would be the one requesting the reservation. So I'll take you here to my reservation system website. I chose to do kind of like a handyman/renovation type service. So if you go here as an unregistered user, you're greeted by this landing page where you can instantly go and get an estimate, or you can check out some of their other stuff like their about, which just kind of gives them a little bit about the company, what they do, as well as their portfolio, where you can view their previous work. But aside from that, let's go ahead and log in and get an estimate. So I'm going to log in as a user here. Now that we're logged in as a user, I'm able to see all of my assets here. So far I have 2, and as well as the reservation and the date that I would like the company to come out and attend to those assets. So let's go ahead and add another one. And then let's go ahead and pick a date. And since there is a cap on reservations per location and date, it seems that they're all booked up for that date. So let's go back and try a different date. And there we have it. Now we have a new one on the 16th to have them come out and check out our window. And if we log out and log in as an administrator, they have the capability to overwrite that reservation limit. So I will log in. And if I go and look at repairs, I can see multiple users as well as different dates for those users. So let's go and try to make a 4th for the 10th for our user Scooty here. And there we go. So from there, you can see that it added the date and tongue-tied, that it overrode and let them add that. And then in my second iteration of this, I think I would like to maybe focus on some more styling of the edit and the CRUD functionality. But aside from that, that's pretty much my reservation system in a nutshell.